Do you know what is filling up your phone? Most of us keep installing new apps, but we rarely uninstall the ones we no longer use. We usually think about cleaning them up only when the phone runs out of storage or starts feeling slow. Sometimes there are even apps that do not appear in the app drawer, making them difficult to find. Luckily, there is a free app that helps you find, organize, and uninstall both regular and hidden apps much more easily. Let me show you. The app is called Uninstaller and it is completely free on Play Store. When you open it, you will see a list of every app installed on your phone. At the bottom, it also shows you how much free storage is left on your device, which is quite useful. Now, tap the sort button. You can sort apps by name in ascending or descending order. You can also sort them by storage size, so you can quickly find the apps taking up the most space. And you can sort by installation date or last update date. These sorting options are more useful than they look. The first reason is finding hidden apps. Let me install an app called Enough Home Launcher. Now if I open app drawer, I cannot find it anywhere. But if I open Uninstaller and sort the apps by recently installed, I can immediately see it listed as Home SW. This is a great way to find apps when you forget their actual names or when they are hidden from the app drawer. The second reason is uninstalling unused apps. Sort the apps by installation date. You will quickly notice apps that have been sitting on your phone for years without updates. These are usually the apps you no longer need, and they are good candidates for removal. The third reason is my favorite, uninstalling apps in bulk. Simply select multiple apps, tap the delete icon to uninstall the apps at once. You don't have to uninstall one app at a time. It makes cleaning up your phone much faster. There is another section for system apps. You cannot uninstall them, but you can at least see how much storage they occupy, giving you a better understanding of where your storage is being used. So, don't wait until your phone slows down or battery performance gets worse. Install this must-have app to find forgotten apps, clean up storage, and manage installed apps much easier. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.